Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa if you're new here. Today we are unboxing this month's Ipsy. Super excited for May. I cannot believe it's here already. Make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This month is May, the Secret Garden. It's all flowers and blooming, so pretty. So this month they're sharing Looks That Bloom. This month indulge in an oasis of lush lids, petal soft lips, and a flourishing glow. I'm really excited to see what they've decided to throw in this month's box. I feel like May colors are just so pretty, so I'm really intrigued to see what we have here. So if you're not super familiar with Ipsy, they have 3 different choices that you can make. You have the Glam Bag, which has 5 beauty samples, and as a member you can choose 1 product of your choice, usually up to like a $70 value, only for $14 a month, so it's a really great way to try new products. And then you have your Boxycharm. With the Boxycharm, it's 5 full-size beauty products, and as a member you choose 3 of your product choices, and this is up to a $200 value for only $30 a month, so really great choice. And then you have the Glamorous Icon Box. With the Icon Box, you have 8 celebrity curated full-sized products worth $350, and it's only $60 quarterly. So this isn't like a monthly, every month thing like the other 2. It is a more quarterly thing, but there are some really great things inside the Icon Boxes. So we're gonna get started and dive right into the OG regular Ipsy Glam Bag. I always get so excited to see the bag of the month, and this one is really, really pretty. So our first product in here, we have a milk product. I really love this brand. This is their Hydro Grip Primer. So it's a little mini primer, and I'm a bit clumsy. But this stuff is really good. I've tried it several times and I really like the way it makes my makeup look. And sometimes I would put it on even if I wasn't wearing makeup, but really great consistency, really good texture, really good products. For our next product, we have this Dallas & James Skincare Co. Watermelon Dream. This is their Cloud Cream Moisturizer. I'm going to literally test this out right on my hand because if it has watermelon in it, I love everything with watermelon. It feels really gentle, like really safe for the skin. It's not super cakey feeling. It's like kind of like a water base. Really refreshing. And my skin already feels super soft just adding that onto my hand. Next we have, ooh, this is so fancy looking, SOS Hair Powder. It says Dazzle Me, quickly controls oil, leave hair dry and fluffy. I'm really interested to try this. I have a couple hair powders. There's some that I like and some that I don't like, so it just depends. So really excited to give this one a try. Next we have an Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I swear I like collect these. I probably have like 3 now. This will be my 4th one, but I'm just such a huge fan of this stuff. I haven't found a brow gel that I've liked better, and I've gotten a couple in my Ipsy boxes this year, but none of them beat this one. This one is the queen. And our last product in here, this is from What's Up Beauty, and it's a lipstick shade in the shade Seba. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and see what shade we're working with. It's a really pretty shade and it has this really cute detailing on it. So I'm gonna have to give this a try. All right, friends, now moving on to our Boxycharm here. I didn't bring my little tape cutter out, so this box is going to be a little destroyed. Just a little bit. So we have our cute little advertisement in here. It's like the cutest little newspaper So the icon box, if you didn't know, is all about Patrick Star. So I'm really excited to see what we have in there. And it has like a little sneak peek of June's lineups. So diving in here, we have the Professional Good Cleanup. I actually received like a little mini one in a couple months ago. I think it was like January or February where I got the little mini one, and I actually took it on vacation with me and I loved it. So I'm so happy we have a large one this month. And I'm just going to open it up and show you guys, but I really liked the cleanser. And it's in like an aluminum can, which I like. So excited for this product. And next we have a Brightening Treatment. I wonder, is this a serum? This is from 8 Sinks. I'm gonna assume this is like a serum, but I don't see on the box what it is. Okay, so it says layer over serum and under cream. Can also be used under makeup in place of primer. So I don't know what kind of product this would be considered, but I'm always happy to give a new product a try. All right, up next we have Polite Society. I have not tried any of their products, but I've been seeing the rage all over the internet about Polite Society. So I'm excited to try this out. This is their Legendary Volume Lift and Length Mascara. Greatest lashes of all time. I'm really obsessed with the packaging. It's really cute. Love the color. And this honestly feels quality. Like just holding it in my hand, the mascara feels very rich. Now I'm not sure what I'm most excited for. Up next we have some brushes. These brushes are from MIA by Misil. There's a tapered blending brush, a definer brush, and an eyeshadow brush in here. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is Ciate London's palette here, and I'm not familiar with this one, but we're gonna see the colors. This is their I Am Woman, but What's Your Superpower Volume 2. 24-piece eyeshadow palette. This is a pretty decent sized palette, actually. So here's our colors, and all the names are kind of pretty empowering. Perfectly Not Perfect, Hear Me Roar, No Limits, Brave, Strong, One of a Kind, Confident, Empowered. Lots of strong words here. A lot of pretty colors. There's some shadows that are shimmery, and then there's some mattes in here, but I like this palette. It's really pretty. Now we are moving on to the icon box. All right, so here is our icon box, little newspaper here with Patrick Star, of course. They have some screen time secrets on here. And of course they talk about the One Size Wonders product. Lots of good stuff in here. Lots of good tips and a little bit about Patrick Star, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. Okay, you guys, this is one of the best cleansers I've ever had. So this is actually the body scrub, but I loved the cleanser so much that I feel like I'm gonna love the body cleanser too. This is Fenty Skin. If you don't know what Fenty is, I don't know what rock you've been living under. And the smell is so good. It kind of reminds me like sugar berries. I don't know. This is so good. But this is an exfoliating body scrub, so I'm literally going to use this tonight because I'm really excited about this. Up next, we have another product from The Professional, Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask. I have so many masks, but I gotta give this one a try. I have not been disappointed by any of their products yet, so let me know what you guys think if you guys have ever tried this product. Benefit just never disappoints. Next, we have our serum. This is First Aid Beauty, and this is their Balance boosting serum with collagen and peptides. So you know it's a good product if it has peptides. And I love this. It's in a glass bottle. I'm always rooting for that. And it's got a pretty nice pump. So I'm going to give this a try on my hand here. It's so smooth. It's like a nice little lotion. Some serums are very like sticky, but this is really comfortable. I cannot wait to add this to my collection. Up next we have this KiZ Grow Potion. This is for brow and lash serum. So I don't know about you guys, but I've tried a couple. I have not tried this brand, but I'm gonna have to see and let you guys know what I think, because it's one of those things like if you're not using it every single day, I don't think it's gonna work or help you. So I'm really excited to give this one a go and try it out for a month or so. Our next product is Lawless. This is their Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Soothing Tinted Balm Stick. And this is in the shade Sugar Plum. I'm really excited to try this. But it is more on the darker side, so I'm gonna test it out and see what the color is on my hand. Okay, so it's definitely lighter than it is in the stick, because that's what I was a little worried about. Up next we have this one size, of course, gotta throw some of this in here, waterproof liquid eyeliner pen in the shade Bossy Blue. So I'm gonna test this right on my wrist here, just to give you guys a color, and wow. I'm making it really thick so you guys can see, but it has a really great point on it, and this color is really crazy. I will not be using this often, but when I do, it's really gonna look really good. Our next product here is from Vacation. This is their SPF 30 Baby Oil Sunscreen. Our last product in the box is another one size product. And this is the Cheek Clapper. This is a 3D blush trio. I love a good blush. And I'm always changing my blush up because I feel like I'm always finding a new one that I like more. But look at this packaging, you guys. How freaking cute. I'm obsessed right now. And you guys, the pinks are so pretty. I'm loving them. I love them. This might be my favorite product in this box. It's a tough one. Tough decision. But this is really cute. Alright friends, that's all for this month's unboxing. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. Leave a comment saying hello, even just a thumbs up, and let me know what you guys thought of this video. And let me know what you guys are most excited for from your box. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!